in my eyes. Well, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down.
City of Dreams. Staycation Saturday.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't know.
So we're here in City of Dreams, Hyatt.
Those words I couldn't say. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Rode the line until it hit the ground. Now ain't just right to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
So we're finally here in City of Dreams. So we're waiting for our check-in. Since we've been waiting forever, we're gonna go to Starbucks first.
Yes. Pwede mo sa loob, kaso di kayo mapasok sa'yo. Free coffee. Ang bango may coffee nila, parang good din.
May masarap coffee dito.
Ah, siya? Good din.
May kapilit, latte sila. O, di sana.
Diyan na tayo kumain later. You guys wanna eat here? Ooh, let's eat here later. So we're here in Okada, City of
Memories haunt below. Rode the line until it hit the ground. Now ain't just right to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
So hi guys, what's up? We're here already at Hyatt Regency, which is here in City Dreams. I'll show you the room tour. We are in room 1721. See? So this is our bathroom. Look at that. Shower room. There's poo area, of course. And the good thing about this room is it has a bathtub. And now I'll show you the bed. So this is the bed. There's of course television, 2 beds, and the view is here. Look at that view. So this is the bar area. There's a lot of free water. This is actually included. There's a lot of coffee. There's spring rolls. I don't know what's inside the fridge. Oh yeah, there's our fridge. So we have sodas already. All of these are free, right?
Another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend. 'Cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Rode the line until it hit the ground.
So this is the pool area of City of Dreams, Hyatt. And there's a lot of people. So many people.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't understand my heart. Spoke a tongue I never heard of. You were warm by all those words I couldn't say. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Rode the line until it hit the ground. Now
the middle part of Hyatt, and it's nice here. As you can see. Oh, this is the bar. Oh, this is the wave bar. So this is the bar area where you can order drinks. It's nice here. So this is Noah, part of Noah.
It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Roll the lightning till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine. I remember when we curved and stayed apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't understand my heart.
So we're here in City of Dreams. As you can see, the view is so beautiful here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, it's so awesome here. Nice.
Tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
So we're heading out. We're going to Ayala by the bay, which is going here. So we're going to Ayala by the bay there to buy some food. Yes. So we're heading out. We're going to Ayala by the bay. Yeah, we can go work out. Kita ka rin. So, ang taas ng floor namin. First floor. Let's go in.
Inisip ko naman, tugak na yung bukod.
So this is where we're going to. So our room is located somewhere here. Our room, right? No, because that's our view. Yeah, somewhere here. That's our view. Ayala Mall. So we're here at Hyatt. So our room is located somewhere here. I don't know which floor, but there. And we're heading to Ayala by the bay. Ayala Malls by the bay. Or Manila Bay. So this is the Ayala Malls by the Bay. It's not our first time here because we've been here in Manila. I mean, we're actually living in Manila while we are actually having our staycation in City of Dreams. Let's go. Sorry guys, I'm a blogger. So we're here already inside Ayala Malls by the chips, fries, and drinks.
Back when you were mine. Hoping that another you will
Nakikita eh. Ha? Sorry, may sasakyan, diba? Bilisan nyo. Sorry.
Are your dreams just a dream? We're back here already in our room. Look at our dinner. It's pizza, and of course chicken. We have chips and also drinks. So yeah, we're ready to eat and drink for
Ay,
this
ito lang hot sauce. Tapos na bang edition ako na. Ha?
heading out again.
Hindi alam mo, sige dali mo.
Bakit yun?
Push.
Okay, we're heading to Silo.
Nakapasok ka dito, may shit. Push kasi. Ay, push ba? Dahil nakapasok ka dito, may shit.
Oo.
Oh, kumano yun? Ay,
Hindi gumagana sa room.
sa room lang.
Di ba kanina rainbow? Tinry mo rin yun. Pumasok tayo. Ay,
Which way are we heading? This way! Din ulit. Kala ko baba tayo kasi nala ko nagbibili kami ng ano sa 7-Eleven. Later. Sabi ko mag-yosi. Pwede ka mag-yosi dito eh.
Oo nga, dapat bumili mo na Turkish here.
So this is how it looks like at night here in City of Dreams. That view is so nice, the food area. And of course, it's me! So nice here. You can see the view is so awesome.
Back when you were mine, hoping that another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend. 'Cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Roll the line until it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish
So look at this view, it's awesome. Look at the garden place here in City of Dreams. So beautiful here. Garden place, look at that.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't understand my heart. Spoke a tongue I never heard of. You were warm by all those words I couldn't say. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Roll the line until it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine. But I was blinded by the light. Yeah, back when you were mine. Hoping that another you will come.
So they are actually enjoying the photo shoot here.
takla po. Ikaw si ba?
Ang ganda na shot na yan.
Medyo malabo pero
Ano pa ba gagawin pag nag-staycation? Ino!
Meron naman sa TikTok.
Singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Roll the line until it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
Live?
Meron ng ano, follower.
Bakit? Pag dumaming follower?
Ano ko talo? Dapat talo ka pa ng pang.
Alam ko sino pa para sa akin? Mga ako yun din, mga...
By all those words I couldn't say. It was love, I never had to.
Morning, so we're heading to the pool area, but I want you guys to see the view. Good morning. Heading to the pool area. Joink.
It's too sunny.
Hoping that another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend. 'Cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories held below. Roll the line until it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us
Our swim. We're going back to our hotel, our room.
would end. But I was young and didn't understand my heart.
Out! Bye-bye this room. Bye-bye this room. Bye-bye this room. Say hi to the OOTD. Yan natin. Hindi ka siya. Bye-bye Philippines. We're leaving the country. Siyempre, kami pa nakatira sa sa Malate. Sa ano lang pala nakatira. Bye-bye place. Grabe, sobrang layo ng biyahe. We're leaving Metro Manila. I'll see you soon. In the mall area of City of Dreams. Hi to my vlog. So, we were here last night. I mean, yesterday. Look at that. It's moving.
It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the time.